Hi, I'm Sel, and here's my DF for Module 9 Basic Radio Hardware. For the discussion, I will be discussing or answering the following. Discuss the basic radio hardware and the modern technologies that are now being used in radio broadcasting, and how do these technologies impact radio broadcasting. Here's a detailed overview of basic radio hardware used to produce and air radio programs, specifically broadcast equipment for production. And first would be microphones. Microphones convert sound waves into electrical impulses or audio waves. This is essential for capturing voices and sounds during recording or live broadcasting. Next would be tape recorders. Tape recorders record production materials for delayed programming or airing tapes from external sources. This is useful for pre-recording segments or storing audio content. Next would be the cartridge machine. Cartridge machine is a player recorder machine ideal for playing announcements or plugs, often used for short pre-recorded messages or advertisements. Next would be turntables. Turntables transform sounds imprinted on disc into audible sounds, commonly used for playing vinyl records. Next would be CD player. CD player play recorded material stored on compact disc used for music or pre-recorded audio content. Next would be broadcast console. Broadcast console acts as the nerve center of the radio station. It mixes sounds from various sources, microphones, CDs, or CD players, tape recorders, and amplifies audio frequency currents to the desired level. Central equipment for managing and controlling audio inputs and outputs during production. And last would be the demagnetizer or bulk eraser. The magnetizer or bulk eraser erases all recordings from tapes, prepares tapes for reuse, and by removing previous recordings. We also have broadcast equipment for transmission, and these are transmitter and antenna system. Transmitter amplifies the audio frequency from the console and transmits it into the antenna system, essential for sending radio signals to the antenna for broadcasting, while the antenna system radiates signals efficiently and increases the effective coverage of the radio station, ensures that the broadcast reaches a wider audience. For the second DF, these are the modern technologies that are now being used in radio broadcasting. First would be digital radio and online radio. Digital radio represents a significant leap forward from traditional analog radio. It processes sounds into digital patterns, offering several advantages such as the following. First, superior sound quality. Next, interference-free reception. Next, data transmission. Next, efficient spectrum usage. And cost effectiveness. While online radio leverages the internet to broadcast programs, breaking geographical barriers and enabling global access, key features include interactivity, enhanced content, global reach, and convenience. For the third DF, modern technologies such as digital radio and online radio have profoundly impacted radio broadcasting in several ways, such as on the following. It enhanced audio quality, it has wider audience reach, increased interactivity, supplementary content, cost efficiency, flexibility and accessibility, efficient spectrum usage, democratization of broadcasting, data analytics and personalization, and challenges and opportunities. In conclusion, modern technologies like digital and radio have formed radio broadcasting by improving audio quality, expanding reach, enhancing interactivity, and reducing costs. These advancements have made radio more accessible and engaging, while also presenting new challenges for broadcasters to innovate and adapt in a rapidly changing media landscape. Thank you.